Hi, I'm Nathan Osmond with OsmondHomeLoans.com. You know, one of the most stressful things for people who are buying a new home is how are you going to move all your stuff in, right? That's difficult. So what we're going to do this month and next month, all the way up until the kids go back to school, is I'm going to offer you help with your move. That's right. When you do a home loan with OsmondHomeLoans.com, we're going to offer 2 movers for 4 hours for free, thanks to our friends at Big Boy Movers. These guys are amazing. So take advantage of this. Give me a call today. Let's get you into your new home, and let's literally get you into your new home.